Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a 2024 and up Ford Ranger. We installed a 30-inch Pro Series light bar. I want to show you exactly how much light you expect with this product. So these are your factory low beams. These are your factory high beams. And this is the 30-inch light bar. The Pro Series light bar, they uses TIR reflectors. So it's capable of condensing the beam and shooting it far into the distance. So instead of spreading light up close, the light bar is built to really throw light down the trail. What you want when you need to see further ahead at high speeds or large area. Offers powerful white light and amber backglow, daytime running lights, that adds an aggressive look while it also increases visibility on the road. So you're getting the best of both, a bold amber DRL and high output white beam that forms when it's time to light up the road. So once again, these are your factory low beams. These are your factory high beams, and this is one 30-inch Pro Series light bar. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please check out our step-by-step installation video, so that way you guys can get the confidence that you need to install this product yourself.